To start the day with a sense of place and purpose, to instill meaning and ritual into the everyday, is an integral part of the ancient Aboriginal culture of Australia. The artwork Women's Ceremonies at Marrapinti depicts symbols associated with the site of Marrapinti near the Kirakura community in Western Australia. Here, groups of women camped at rock holes where they sang traditional songs, danced and brought ceremony to the day before travelling on through sites at Walla Walla, Kirakura and Naminya. There is great comfort in performing those rituals every day, like making that first cup of coffee in the morning, because that sets the tone for life's journey, no matter where your travels might take you.